about my mustache on my lip. I haven't shaved in so long. So there is a ski area here, and I think this is the road up the mountain. Good morning everyone, how's it going? I hope all of you are having a good day and keeping safe. It's Susan and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to a park. And I'm so excited because I haven't gone to a park for so long. I really want to go to a park 2 or 3 hours away from our house, but the weather says it's gonna rain soon. And it's starting to become a little windier. But the sky is so beautiful. And look at the clouds, it's so amazing. Today I think I'll let my dad drive instead because I am so tired because I didn't sleep very well yesterday. And I wanted to talk to you guys. It's such a beautiful day today, so I don't know why it's gonna rain. The weather changes so fast in Vancouver. It's so relaxing being in the back seat. I haven't been in the back seat for so long, so I can't do anything. Maybe I'll take a nap. I am so tired. 1 second the weather is very nice, and 1 second the weather is really cloudy, so we keep changing where we want to go. And now we are stuck in traffic. I miss being in the back seat so much, it's so comfortable. When I was under 12, I really wanted to be in the front because I didn't like the back seat. But my parents say I was not allowed. Now that I'm allowed to be in the front and I have been driving a lot, I really want to be in the back. It's a really nice change. And the back is so comfy. Look how much room I have now. But the back seat's a little dirty, so I'll have to clean that later. So since I'm not driving, I thought I would take the opportunity to practice my speaking by talking to you guys. And sorry about my mustache on my lip. I haven't shaved in so long. I wish I can take my yellow lab Simba with us, but it's gonna be really hard because he always barks so much. One time we brought Simba to Kelowna, and that's 5 hours drive, and he barked the whole way there. And Simba shat so much, so every time we bring Simba, we have to clean out the car. And my parents keep saying to turn my camera off because I have to save the battery for better things ahead. But I still have lots of battery left and I'm bored. Now it's a little cloudy. That took a while. We were stuck in traffic for like an hour, but now we are finally moving again. So we keep changing our minds, and we are actually going to the park that I wanted to go in the first place. So the park is about 3 hours away, but with the traffic, it'll probably take us more than 3 hours. So we just got to a park named Mani Park, and now we're going to drive a little bit further and maybe go hiking in a little bit. It looks so beautiful now. Although it's still a little cloudy. We are trying to find a map and some information. Oh, this is a big chair. Oh, this is so nice. It's the first time I've ever seen a pet area. The cliff is so steep. I really hope I don't drop my phone down the cliff. So there is a ski area here, and I think this is the road up the mountain. Yep, so the alpine meadows, and now it's closed. This looks like a tricky area to drive. Now it's getting so cloudy and so windy. I like it because it's not so hot, but if it was sunny out, we can see more things. This is some names of the mountains. Love how it has arrows to show you which direction it is. I wonder how the people came up with the names. The houses look so small over there. The clouds look so angry now. There's so many more clouds out. Oh, there's a lake over there. Nice. So that was the yellow pine chipmunk. Oh, it's just running around. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, there's so many chipmunks. Oh, it's so fast. It's just relaxing on top of the tree. I wonder what is it thinking about. How the skies are clearing up. Oh, the clouds are so beautiful. When I was little, I thought the clouds were cotton candy. The weather says it's gonna rain at 4, so let's see what happens. We just got to a place called Lightning Lake, and there's so many people here. Wow, it's so beautiful here. But there's so many birds on this tree. They're just hanging out. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, and also there's so many holes on the ground. I wonder why. Oh, it's a mole. So I guess the mole digged the holes. I'm seeing so many animals today. I love that. Oh, I love seeing animals run around. It's so amazing. It's so comfortable with humans. It's just relaxing. Look how close my dad is to the mole. Oh, now it ran away. Oh, it's peeking out. Hi. Oh, whoa, it's a small one. Oh, so cute. Oh, the water looks so calm and so relaxing. I really wish we could go on a canoe. Oh, this looks so amazing. Let's see how much is it to rent a canoe. The price is not bad. Oh, this looks so fun. Although I would say I love kayaking more than canoeing. Wow, it's so big. There's so many of these. Oh, so adorable. I love them. Oh, this reminds me of the game Whack-A-Mole. Oh, I wonder what is it looking at. Hi. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a whole family. Oh, it's a deer. Oh, I can see its ribs. It's so skinny. We are off to our next destination, and I moved from the back to the front, and now it's starting to rain.
Portland Lake Trail.
不是 Portland.
This looks like a nice trail. It's always so relaxing. Guys, that's a log cabin. It's a warming hut, I think.
With warming hot.
Oh, this is so nice. Oh, but sadly it's closed. Oh, I am so cold now. It's freezing. Now let's go see the creek. Wow, this sound is so soothing. This reminds me of going whitewater rafting at Whistler, and it was so much fun. About 60 years ago, there was a rock slide here. We are on our way home now, just in time because now it's raining. We made it back home and we basically spent the whole day at Manning Park. And now let's go see Simba. Simba, hi! Oh, he's so excited. Oh, he had to go pee so bad. Oh, I feel so bad for Simba. I am so tired. We left at like 9:40 in the morning today and now it's 6:17. Now where did Simba go? Simba, where are you? Where are you going? Oh, there you are. Are you finding a place to do your business? It's okay. Good boy. Here we go. You can go poo here. Okay, Simba, go do your business. Oh wow, and now the sun is coming out. Oh nice. I think Simba is hungry. Simba, do you want some food? Yeah, okay. So this pretty much wraps up the vlog today. If you liked the vlog today, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, bye, and see you next time.